Hi everyone, welcome back to Dance Curious. I'm Alexi, and I'm here to help you learn everything that you wanted to know about ballroom and Latin dance. Let's get started. Today, we're going to be talking about how to DIY your very own swing dance shoes. I have a particular pair that I'm going to convert, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's take a look. To make your swing shoes, you will need Keds, nice and flat on the bottom, a pen, scissors, and suede sheets. You can pick up your suede sheets from a variety of different places. I got these from Soles to Dance through Amazon, and I've included the link in the description below. They also do give you written instructions in case you get confused. Now what you'll want to do is make sure that your shoe is very clean. I've never worn these before, so I wasn't worried about it. And then you'll want to arrange them carefully on the sheet to make the most of the sheet. I realized my lighting wasn't the best for the first shoe, so I'm going to show you my process with shoe number 2. Once you have it arranged properly, go ahead and take your pen and trace all the way around the outside edges of the shoe. If you can get underneath the edge of the shoe a little bit, that's even better, because obviously the surface area of the adhesive needs to be smaller than the surface area of the shoe. Just be careful that you don't get any ink on the outer edges of the shoe itself. Once you've made your outline, go ahead and cut it out. This can take a little bit of hand strength when you're using scissors. You can also try an X-Acto knife. If you like, you can try to cut slightly smaller than the outline to make sure that it will fit within the boundaries of the shoe. Once you've cut it out, go ahead and check it against the base of your shoe. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure that none of the adhesive sticks out past the edge of the shoe. Now let's put it together. Go ahead and start peeling off the adhesive lining, but don't peel it off all the way. Carefully line up the heel, and then slowly smooth on the suede so that you don't have to rearrange anything. The adhesive is really strong, which is a good thing, but it's hard to undo mistakes. Smooth it out and make sure there are no bubbles. Now you're almost done. Go ahead and put on your shoe and stand in them and then walk around a little bit. This will help to set the adhesive and make sure that it doesn't peel off. Now you're all done. Go ahead and enjoy your very own pair of swing dance shoes. I think that's it for today. Thank you again so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. As you can see, I'm a new channel and I have lots of exciting content that I want to share with you. If you like social media channels, I have the normal mix below. I also have the link to the blog post version of this video, which goes into a little bit more detail about like how much money you can save doing this and all those sort of considerations. So check that out. And otherwise, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time.